Since 1935, MATSUURA has been providing manufacturing solutions and new technologies to the world. Today, we remain true to our heritage. Across generations and under the pioneering spirit of our founder and first president, Toshio Matsuura, and his son Masanori, we continue to work together to create success, innovate to meet customer needs, take pride in working safely, and be a leader that shapes the industry. Today, third-generation president Katsu Matsuura and his son Yuto continue this tradition, expanding the business to meet rising global demands for groundbreaking manufacturing solutions. Matsuura's founder was an engineer strongly committed to manufacturing, and as a result, developed unique know-how and technologies. Yet, at the same time, he clearly discerned the manufacturing trends of the times and developed and introduced history-making machines to the market. One such example is Japan's first mass-produced vertical machining center, the MC750V. Invented in 1974, this very machine is where the history of the modern Matsuura machining centers begins. In the late 1970s, when mainstream products had a maximum spindle speed of 4,000 RPM, Matsuura developed a high-speed spindle capable of 20,000 RPM. This was a breakthrough for the world of manufacturing. In 1989, Matsuura established their position in the world as a manufacturer of high-speed machining centers by introducing the FX5 to the market. Ahead of our competitors, we successfully produced a machine for the high-speed machining of even difficult-to-cut materials. Then, in 1991, predicting the need for reducing the cost of labor, Matsuura developed the MAM72 series of 5-axis machines, equipped with a pallet system and a large tool matrix capable of unmanned operation for 72 consecutive hours, and ushering in and defining a new age of unmanned, palletized, and fully automated pallet pool CNC machining production. In 1998, Matsuura developed the LX1, our first linear motor machine, featuring both ultra-high-speed and high-precision performance. Over the years, Matsuura continues to refine technologies and deliver them to market, offering solutions that no other manufacturer can. Matsuura first began researching laser technologies in 1998 and subsequently focused our efforts on developing metal laser sintering technology. After creating a prototype in 2002, Matsuura introduced the world's first hybrid metal 3D printer, the Lumex 25C, to the market in 2004. Then, in 2006, Matsuura began selling the fully redesigned Lumex Advanced 25. In the early 80s, Matsuura, concerned with the kind of Earth future generations will inherit, modernized its logo with the Earth's sustainability in focus. The logo's 3 vivid green ovals signifying man, Earth, and technology, and its inclination to the right of 23.45 degrees, matching the tilt of the Earth's axis. This new logo emphasized Matsuura's commitment to our technologies, existing in harmony with Mother Nature. Matsuura's 85 years of providing manufacturing solutions to the world and our current generation's pride in remaining true to that heritage means you can be confident partnering with us today, tomorrow, and for generations to come.